Before you can begin priming and cementing plastic pipe, there are a few steps you need to take to prepare the pipe and fitting. We'll walk you through the preparation process so you can get ready to form fail-proof bonds. Start by cutting the pipe as square as possible, using a power saw, miter box saw, or plastic tubing cutter. Check the end of the pipe to make sure it has been cut square. Remove inside diameter burrs or raised beads with an internal deburring tool, knife, or power beveling tool. To remove the burrs or raised beads on the outside diameter of the pipe, use a file, external deburring tool, or power beveling tool that will produce a 3/32 of an inch, 10 to 22 degree chamfer or bevel. Now, with a clean, dry rag, wipe away any dirt, grease, shavings, or moisture from inside and outside the pipe bell, or fitting socket. You need to make sure all the surfaces you're going to join are free of foreign material. This includes any chemical, paint, coatings, or any other residue which may have stuck to the pipe during storage. Next, check the fit. A good dry fit occurs when the pipe enters the fitting at least 1/3 to 2/3 of the way into the socket without being forced. This dry fit should not be too tight or loose enough to jiggle. A net fit occurs when the pipe bottoms into the fitting socket with no interference. Measure the fitting socket length and mark this distance on the pipe outer diameter to indicate to where the primer and solvent cement are to be applied. To ensure the fitting has been fully inserted, add a couple inches to this distance and make a second check mark on the pipe, as the primer and cement will remove the first mark. Once you've completed these steps, your small diameter pipe is ready for bonding. Visit our page to learn more and see other tutorials.